I'm going to sing a song about the name above all names, the name of Jesus Christ, and I hope it's a blessing to you. The reason that we have the hope that we have is because of that name. There is no greater name than that one. Amen. There really isn't. And you study history, and there's been a lot of people that have affected history, but the fact that we're in 2019 based on his birth should say something. So he's affected history, and he's not just affected history at large, but he's affected my life and my family. I would not have the family I have. I wouldn't have the church family that I have. I wouldn't have the hope that I have in this life if it wasn't for Jesus Christ. Psalm 100 verse 4 says, "Enter into his gates with thanksgiving and into his courts with praise. Be thankful unto him and bless his name."
Neither is there salvation in any other, for there is none other name under heaven given among men, whereby we must be saved.
Amen.
Philippians 2:10-11 says that at the name of Jesus, every knee should bow, of things in heaven and things in earth and things under the earth, that every tongue should confess that Jesus Christ is Lord, to the glory of God the Father.
One with God the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory in creation, now revealed in you are Christ. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus.
Didn't want heaven without us.
So Jesus, you brought heaven down. My sin was great, your love was greater. What could separate us now?
What a wonderful name it is. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a wonderful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus. It's a name above every name, amen. Death could not hold you, the veil tore before you. You silenced the boast of sin and grave.
The heavens are roaring, the praise of your glory, for you are raised to life again. You had no rival, you had no equal. Now and forever, God, you reign.
Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. What a powerful name it is. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a powerful name it is. Nothing can stand against. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a powerful name it is. Nothing
Nothing can stand against what a powerful name it is. The name